In a significant effort to promote menstrual hygiene and empower young girls, the Female Youth Empowerment Initiative has launched a project aimed at providing sanitary pads to 1,000 girls across Abia State. The initiative, which focuses on menstrual health education and supporting underprivileged girls, is designed to tackle period poverty and break the stigma surrounding menstruation. Again, our correspondent Victoria Ichie reports.
Speaking on the initiative, the founder, Clara Oluchi Tobias, emphasized the need to educate and empower the girl child through direct support.
Yeah, Female Youth Empowerment Initiative, we are on a mission to pad over 10,000 girls in Abia State. So that should also tell us that it's actually not a project. It's not something that is going to end now. It is a campaign. After now, we still have the one we are going to do in Obakala. We have the one we are going to do in Amachara. We have the one we are going to do in Uzuakolibe, the local government, and so on and so forth. From Abia State, we can move ahead to other states. Actually, Female Youth Empowerment Initiative have also done this in the north. Menstruation is not something that ends with me. My child is also going to see the menstruation. So we carry that advocacy for a very long time. I think the initiative is a very good one because it's something that is going to educate us, not just me as a girl child, but also the younger ones, your daughter, my daughter, and every other daughter that is going to be coming up. I think it's a very sustainable initiative that is also going to help the girl child and, of course, the nation at large.
Some of the beneficiaries expressed gratitude for the support, while urging the government to regulate the price of sanitary pads to make them more affordable.
I think it's something that the government should look into in helping secondary school girls, not only secondary school girls, less privileged girls that cannot afford this. And I think with this program, a lot of lives have been touched and a lot of hygiene have been learned and on how girls should take care of themselves.
I think they can go on with such initiative because it's really helping girls. It's really helping girls and also bringing development. There are some girls that don't know about their menstrual flow. There are some girls that don't know how they can take care of themselves during menses. So most of them, during their menses, they will be smelling, they will be having odors. But if such initiative can go on, they will help in teaching students on how they can take care of themselves so that during their menses, they will not be smelling or they will just be clean.
Thanks for people who remember those who cannot afford sanitary pads. For someone to stay in his or her house and think about students in secondary schools and think about the challenges they're having and how costly things are in this country. I can say a very big thanks to them for remembering, for thinking, and that the good Lord will bless them.
On her part, the school principal, Nene Ibe, described the initiative as an effective way to combat period poverty, calling on the government to take concrete steps towards ensuring that girls in secondary schools, especially the rural areas, have access to sanitary products.
The government should help regulate the price of pad because with the cost of things in the markets, the high cost of price makes it impossible for these girls, especially from low income home, to afford pads. Pads become luxury to them, and as a principal, we have situations where you meet girls that will come to you, "I'm wearing sweater because I'm on my period and I am being stained." So the government should encourage more people to come out. NGOs should come out and help in providing pad. If possible, the government should make pad free in schools. It's one of those necessities that should be given as incentives for people to come to school. Pad should be made free and accessible to every girl.
Menstrual hygiene remains a significant challenge in many parts of Nigeria, with affordability and accessibility being major concerns. Advocates continue to push for policies that will ensure menstrual health products are available for all girls, regardless of their socio-economic background. From Umuahia, Victoria Ichie reporting for Rapid TV News.